I'm back just because we have our hot water is not working. So I think the house master was here. So I decided to off because he will come up to look to my toilet. I don't want him to show my video. That is why I cut the first video. Please, guys, help me share this video as usual. Let's finish the matter concerning our beautiful sister, Lady of Song. You understand? So, you the way no bad or bad, Emma. Please stop this thing. It's not good. Stop. I can't parọ́ àgbéná wọn. You don't want to reply on social media. Any down ọmọ one. I can't parọ́. Don't think that your page is monetized. It's every time people talk to you on media, you come back to answer them. If your page is monetized, you have other things to do with your page. You have other things to do with your page that will be giving you money, no saga. No saga. So sorry guys, because our hot water is not working for the past 1 month with the boil water like I say with the Africa. So now my house master now I hear him voice for down. Now make me up that because it must come up, come see the hot water. I know I make it show for my video. Now make me off and come back again. So my lovely people, you guys have to share this video and thumbs up. Let's keep on analyzing my sister video.
Again, you don't used to listen to me. Oh my God, self-worth. I try to add that to it. But sometimes you will keep self-worth. You will still let them know say not be the top pass. So my sister, what will not say on done it talo. But they don't know what they were saying. And what done it was I don't what's what was what don't even what's it tell you were being when not tell what's your she you were being because what we don't hate the now. I didn't make sure your name. I was not didn't make sure your name, but you came out to let them know that you are the one we are talking to, and you want to come and prove it. You want to come and deny it. They may tell me when I was you are a criminal. Fire go burn your yash. You are a thief. You know go empty. Oh, your boss. Oh, shocking. Rubbish. Was here go well at him because that's what people love. What? That means we been where they teach their video. So now you let me. You want the oye who wears the video? Ya many who give my cause him. Who get me shena? Una do pretend do about sweat with a veil. What about do a veil? If we are not been near, then we pay. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Yeah.
So I'm not been na.
Did you hear that? Salobwa. Esther, please. So if you like, you hear this part of video. I know maybe you will not see this video because it is only when they are insulting you, your friends or people who want you to turn back at anyone that is talking down on you for you to reply so that they will see video to analyze to make money for their pocket. It's only such video they will send to you. Maybe this video now I'm advising you now like a sister, they will never send it to you. But peradventure you see this my video, I take God beg you. I tell God beg you, Esther. Esther, you don't big pass all those things. In here why love it be now. I love it bina moyazere boragbon. I love it bina. So please, if you want to really be dealing with them one by one, people that is talking you down, ugare ewe bonadwaku. Maybe you can jam them. What is why Opa baby no ya gbele pepa yin o na way yes you are reventing for yourself. But this one that you are coming on daily basis to start insulting, calling name, talking like say I don't understand. It don't make sense. People are triggering you through their comments. People are letting you know. They are reminding you of what you forgot to say to them. And the more you say you are talking, you think you are talking to one person. Many people, they are taking from your video. They are listening. Even your friends, even your real followers, they will look and say, no, this is not what we subscribe for. People subscribe for you because of your golden voice. People subscribe for you because you are a musician. People subscribe to you because you want to radio so. You they seek me where they set break. Why every time you want to come out to reply people? Why? Ever since you married, that is why she used that word. Before no mana area we lawa, who when you star, who when you life. We are addressing again now they address them. If not, they address you, they sit down by the side of your husband. Your husband go to talk, you go quiet, you go to smile. You go to smile. So if your husband at that time want use harsh voice or harsh words, you go say no. CIA. That is CIA. But now you are the one doing everything. You are the one coming out to tell us, say this is how it is. But this is not your calling on social media. Your calling is different. Your calling is different. As you said earlier, where they to a musician who are a drossy ladia, ye drossy breza ladia. Do you think if you even do that, maybe people will even look at you? Emma no ye drossy ladia on social media now. Ya no ye social media, no ye party ladia on blow. Ya no ye party ladia, ya will saga all blow. Except one. And ever since God have put her there, she maintain and lay. She maintain and lay. She do the right thing now, media, which is easy obedi. The lady they call it Kia Queen. She don't maintain her dignity. She says she don't know how to read and write when she enter abroad. She says she enter abroad at a small picking. He said when he knows a bit rebel, when he can't enter UK, he can't go learn how to read and write. She can't speak well. She can't know what in they inside that book where they say yes. And when Ben was a but now that girl not do anything nonsense again for her page. And that's why she's growing. She's even growing more than the people he met here. She's even growing more than the people that do saga every day as their daily job. Because why? She maintain her lane. She maintain her lane. Oh, la diana here we saga ne oh gaga. She know they do all those book. It don't say make it not say biju work better that one now she take come. Oh my one over Sunday. She know they do all those ragamuffin poto social media saga where people they do again. Now only she come out for those about space where take a when there a dross yaladian nor ready top or my way to top. Because why? When God don't bless her with followers, she coordinate herself to become a successful blogger today. Which other blogger where don't carry a dross yaladian, they have a video not they successful like that lady today. Error. So if you think that anything you hear on media, people will call you, say I'm out of your door according to your words on your video. So now, why you want to say that people are still manipulating you to come out to answer people. Who they say na poto they rub their set, they make money. You will be musician where they sing, where they go. Different country. Some of those people now where they reply now the country where they ever so they come now they maybe if they still get passport they feel may they go holiday for UK or may they go holiday for this one. Then you they travel or they travel they go Europe to where you come last. You go France, you go Italy, you go Germany here, you go many places, and now you are still ready to go to Canada now. You come at yesterday they miss saga they cause woman like you they call them Igbeagia. Woman like you they cause your papa, cause your mama. You can't give her a road, make it can't cause your papa, cause your mama. You will value your papa. You will respect your papa, even when they are alive, even when you give up a fifty burial like a king. Esther, you not try. You not try. If you cannot change now to what people, whosoever that is bringing any video that they sort you can't give you. Woman, one year. Or no time of that when no, only I will not reply them. It will not take you anywhere. It will not take you anywhere. Because it's not what you are doing that people subscribe for you when they follow you. And all those commenters you are seeing on your platform on a daily basis, you are doing saga. They are not your followers. They are not your followers. They are also a presenter who they fight presenter when they use fake account. They trigger you. May you for talk more, may they see point character beat their colleague. That is who they are. That is anything. They do a comment in any. Can plan they go. Okay.
Oh, I don't want me where for social love because to start with, although we marry me, or where is one on the road bottom? I came on the road bottom, where the road bottom. I you said, tell me. I tell you what. The way we manage new yet to know you when you wait for where they are, I'm okay. A poor man, or yet to buy you worry. Who said weapon, who money poor, money yet to woman, who money in Nigeria only. I'm your equal, I'm your young son, I'm your calabar. When money no give me Nigeria. When I never. Ivie anyamiri ivie nene ni we ya mu no itu homu gbe nene ma yeme ma o me yeke o siwa tutu we da kisi no ka gele os
Ivie do wo yama so me. If this your path you want to choose after your career, it's good. If this the path you want to choose after your career, it's good. But I will tell you, it's not taking you to anywhere. People will not like it. The people that like it, that you think that like it, they are not your followers. They are not your friends. They are also the same people where they fight the same person when they reply. So neither they can recommend the trigger if you comment. Even your husband is not for background there. Person marry whosoever I marry, not be in choice. Person marry whosoever we marry, not be choice. Why are we not discriminating? Thank you. God bless you. Good afternoon. Why? Why are you not discriminating? Why now it can't concern a husband? Not be waiting person like it follow. Just like you will decide to be second wife to a man. Do you want to tell me if you really want to get your own husband as a first wife, one and only, you will not get your man? You will get it. But it's your choice. You decide to be a second wife to a woman like you or a man who have already married. It's your choice. That is why when people was insulting you and then I still start saying no, I say I am not whole like him, not whole. So if you can be a second wife to a man, people you are happy. You don't regret. Why do you think someone marry any foreigner or any tribe is not a taboo? Why? To the extent you are even throwing mat to the man. Does it call for? She make a video. She didn't mention your name. She only talk. Then you come out at category because the people call you say, Adeo, Erita Warowe we dosi. One woman lost a life in Yagbe Nana. Awe Adeo, Yagbo Wewodo, Yagbo Wewodo, or Monuma Gyon, Wega Leki Amijomo, giddy, so Korean wahu, I want to know why I like when I wash you, I believe you not what the motor one more. Why women, a kid, they say, then they do this one, they say, I saw they say. Why can't you tell people that is calling you as you said you don't wash her? As you said you don't wash her. It's only when you want to change to particular platform, a video will surface and you will swipe. So why are you not having joy when people is not tagging you on a video, telling you that it's insulting you? Why can't you tell them to stop? I remember how many people, when people is insulting me, they will send it to my WhatsApp. I will call them back, please, I don't want to see this video because I don't watch. I don't want to see this video. So that that would be the silence. Silence is the best answer given to a fool. When the person said he's insulting me, I never come out to turn back or insult her back or him back. He will know that in your to because it's hard time you do that to yourself. It's hard time. I know you think you don't have anything to lose. Moto iwe rewe bone mani buni rewe bo wedene na mado fek bi ma eso woni mu mudia eso woni geleje egbere mado fiji ma fetima bet we to bu we wo femo we wo ri yan ye webe wo vi yan ade webo. You are trust a mother. Why you now want to destroy career with they say why? Yes, e get copyright for a page una talk am. E get one video where Destiny talk yesterday. We say una do we be say all of us the talk say una they put a hand for another woman on the song. We will call the saga una that time. Many people saga una. Me no first saga una. I wanna cut up temper my page. Wanna give me strike. Now I converse. I could do one video for now, but I still rest. After people come, I still rest. That video, yes. I know say I carry some of that video when I take the inside boat. As I put that for my page, he give me copyright claim with this same lady because na she fair cut am. I not do anything, I not talk. I delete am. I delete am. I to carry me a view. I to carry idea every month. And I could delete it. But any video ni also could no boom. The social media na copyright. When you know you are not a presenter anymore, where analyze your social media, who analyze the video, man, don't ever copyright your page. So that when video anybody know more, we have a more different name here. They want you run your pay, yo, 50 cents, you know, for €5, no, 100, you know, everybody will take it like that. When you know you copyright your page, where I to talk about video where, if I'm not going to copyright your page, I'm on with video, just feeling my video man now. Instead, imagine there. If you have a video na na show all the year dey popular the more. All the year my beg face the more. But people don't know all those things. Coming out every day because people call you, give you awareness that someone is insulting you, someone is insulting your husband, and you come out every time. No rabat. I thought you have learned your lesson, but you still come out again. Telling people that of your power working, matter of power. I believe in national market opa. Aya ema. Kasi ya ete sagi mato. Matter I wanna to try market no so no nipa na wiwe. E market opa. Only telling me when I make no kere opa because me make le me your father water. Matter opa. If landlord and landladies na be level pa. Matter my dear. Please, my sister, Eti do it well. Long time ago, it we go and we bet a video now. A minute have no man make cases of bungbe. Ah, what will you when you want to move video now? Video saga. You don't have anybody explanation about your children. Your daughter also have her own life to live. As far as she's no more 15 years old, she just celebrated 25 years age of few weeks ago. Omomo yeni here. Omomo yeni here. Nijo wa he do ta where you tama you wono na. It's very bad. Thanks for coming. God bless you.
When they call into Tokyo, if we are friends, we're going to move kwa master. Or work kwa master. If we kwa master no dafu we where no address say, are you stupid? Wazu anu wasted beauty. Wasted beauty. Wasted beauty where. Wasted and it's so painful. Okay, let's done it. Imo moseni we moseni. Yes, school by Ugenta, when in my yes school, and I let me out. Okay, no, don't me where in my yes, let me tell you, my dear. They when I finish with the work, we boy, Basha, one of what they
Esther, oh, who knew where you were carrying boy at Basha? Few boy. Oh, who are you who are shawo? We were a Facebook kuna or ave do saba space na. Iya na ni re Facebook kuna ni ware edo space na. Iya fi we omone no guachi ebe. Omono ye secondary school. Omono gua e so no ma we finish secondary school. Ogwachi ebe. English in my unu. Or you mean a negwaze buse or we need to our magic school. Anybody anybody no university eti dwekinu wa do those about space. Yeah, very correct. All of you, even the material no just school vegane devi menwade. Or even university, which is the higher institution. Ben agijena no secondary school ladia. All the time no drop the secondary school or magic school. We go atiebe. Not but go atiebe. You made difference in raw. A certificate secondary school where or mago where young when a higher rank. The same thing. Who want to new but so no matter school or the dojo school where webo or the young when I can a black in a like easy now. You again is a again is zero because again is surprising me. When you yalla the social media now, matter how again a change. Or we go at baby and la webo. Or we webo na we be na dojo school. Or take on a one of the UK. Where can we na one form of a commune. A commune. Near to start, we man have a Jamie Ratas, or we na winner. Or we na winner. She omaje school in Nigeria, ma vabe, a squilla, omajo, but is working in a good place. And even the cities who must because if we're in a so Emily boom because okay, on a good English a good access my maybe na ebook baron as a grammar name know me. He has one name know me. Yes. And we be when all of them are talking, they will be talking people down. Talking people down. Oh my school. Oh no just school do back in mani bundo in Europe now. E mani just school ni we ni ma begging or representative on just school all yan in Nigeria. Like when I want to share book comedy, like even a drop picking ye, like even a casino je, like all those people are the one that need just school. What are beginning here, they do according to what they read at their level. The man ni read and one because you women may man we write down. How do I get one my school? Yes, over there to class no not drop out. Or we or what be or what be. So all those things ne wani bumbo bolo ya that grade on one a video. Very yagi manani manana. No ba. Many people I don't know why secondary school drop part in me wine. But here have the fair gear, a colleague or here, all we need trade. Salobwa. I got back here.
You must have moved on when SS2 now drop out. SS2. Ain't not drop out. No man, I never call you popo. I'll grab a yen in the mouth. I'll grab a one. No, so I never went with all J popo. Or can I popo? It's not a lot of the Lugu for camera. And I'm not bell about what you get a care.
Stop. Esther Edokpayi. Why you get a care? And that's the wherever. Oh man, you know where we know for no what the way I will care. Saloma. Esther winning now. These are not called for enough fit you, true to God.
If you're dressing best, I go. Women in my year school, not learning money, my year school. When you make pay, every make pay where woman come and born. When you pay Facebook, do woman or come and born. Eto e ya pin one. Eto e ya pin one. E ma pin one me ye ma no come one yere de mo ade fe. Mo ade studio. You right now they go sing for studio. You ma no come one mo yere de mo ade studio. Yes, studio ya so ni ri ni. It bin one ya ipo eto ya pon bi ni eto ya ipo ne e ma me like e ka so le pon. Ya ipo ne ya mo se studio be ya pin one. Ade pin me ya no nye hi ma la wu ni ma wu ni. Na me dey write the story. I want to tell story ma me. A story like if you want to learn a poem, no pen a story. I taught in a teaching when I pen a story. When I I teach them. I drop out in SS2. Men no my school my university. I can read and write. If any body they go a color, yes, in a color your piano lake up. Let's get to the bay. One of what I want in my school. I think we school said me. Traveling is part of education. On a non in Europe, on a qui va le terminer en voyage. You call everybody. You call you.
Destiny osarugwe neseki we walakina no wagbesese yesa gana okun we una destiny won wa gbesese yesa gana okun we wa una destiny emi una ma destiny emi una ma una ginger again no do awo saga every time no do reply ema na gbogbo ma do reply yin ata upa ata gbava yan hewere no do ginger na emi no gba because no na mare again na we saga work pala de ngenu we do reply ya we do reply wa reply to take we va ni gbe so wa ha tell no we gbe we o that the radio or said that is gasin ai eri saga aje nu many years ago or last year when we marriage ni Esther ya fi we no to ya kin na gije na we ati amuye so wane nugi ya give a go ahead you know do always saga no na we get na e want subscribe na Esther ga subscribe na you just like people that is following me here we saga na follow me no say o set ya la di na with a very bad way ya do ati me we la mama e gbe dazin gi ma ware ni ma yo ho no ro eva gi mama la ma wa like ga we topic ma many people that love me me ga will love me a Facebook na in a situation on reno phone na in me ya ga love me ogbera 30 people no tie me wo wa na we followers working Ola wero modern hi. We mata. Ota meri ne ya. When I comment wa ge video me wa comment wa share because if you are the more Korea can't ya again. Ria can't ya again. O we la wo si ai. Eso we o yan wa te bono da la ho promise. Una no ameni. When I say this saga wey come so I will follow the digger. The people called me and I respect them. Also respect myself. I no reply again. The least I could do, I blocked the particular person where they sought me. I block him because I once follow him. If you do not they come to my page again, not they surface on my page again, I can't block him. So that me I know they hear him because he help my Korea. This your own. Now not be saying that you subscribe for them. Now people come they share them. Now people come they share them for you. Thank you, may God bless you. Now people come they share them for you so that they insult you. Because they need food to eat. They need video to analyze. If they not call you, you not go see them. And you not go reply. And if you don't reply, they not go see video analyze. They go not call you finish. You go listen the pattern when you hit your head. You go come and call they reply them. As you reply them, yes, analyze it go start. Analyze it go start. You see, huh? Sorry guys. I drink something. Tell them to stop sending video na yatia bonwe. Even to my best friend, my close friend, she sent video for me when they insult me. Now you beg and say I beg. La we was about anyway. Yeah, if you don't have to, but me send the gumi. Ite wenu mi o. O ma hene e Korea. Send the gumi. Wa we ni. Ono wo man ye man egui. She stop. At the time they are doing it, they are insulting me, mammy. He don't reply. I will not offend my followers. I will not offend the people that genuinely love me. The same thing you have to do to yourself. Tell them to stop sending people video where they are using to disrespecting you. Tell people to stop sending it to you. Tell people to stop calling your attention to where they are insulting you. Iye mo time manwade. Iye me weni ne. Agate bi eke mere ba do tamane ne because watamane o wan orita. Oriti e bome. Ugbese ni magai we na kere this funny papa this funny thing so they cut they take all the crack jokes so now we take they grow my what giji o wa we giji ma we gbe the next thing my kekere we this person wa but no na je we o la re ni ubue o si we kegbe o vo we be ni na o we de kede na pa ya pari nwe eki anybody not here bomb me Ye tamane. Uga tamane what ye boni ni me here one because you never what ye. Any buni ye ya mane. Nive measure where even marine. Nive measure marine. Emma gak bima. Ije ne rowa. Emma ni die manak bima. Obokewu. Ije ne gare ma so me we. No bak bima. Or igelek bima fo. Ije na kane mae. Awe wow no na boe. Cause one wow no kana wa dinga wa boe. Iwe iye mi ni iye mi we gbe si me kegbe. O we gbe ne di mo. O we yes one iwa we dagbun we ya wa imi o ge ti e bone. Iye mo o no hobby ene. On a very good day. Keke yeno jitala wala dan yale no wani gbina. Aya enjime. Ave avoid ma. Ivie ho pa de gbima ni medeta na. Ivie do ni ivie de sesese ni magba nware de. Veri ani mana nwa. Iya seke ni maje. Kosinya ije na mehie na de. Iye me aware ne wa wi agbe maje me wa jitala wa abogida de cause telo je me bi akin. Itala wa abogida de je me wa vie vajo. O wa le yen mu e cash pocket o wa bo mani. Eje breza eni nwe vie enwe 21 me. Enwe ra no biji me ya mu no ji me enwe. Eni nwe wa bo mani. O we money so se koko iye ni wa re pale lo mani. So for that simple reason ya wa en ma e contraband makin mi duni mana wa. O we pa he agbe wa enjian. Ijian re na oba no abu wa de pale lo wa. Eriji magaje. Opo o ni magaje we ni abebi kuji ma ye treat my fuck up yo. Even a married. When my children say, mommy, this woman did that, he looked me like this, he looked me like that, he looked like this, it was before he looked you like this, he looked like that. How did you look her? He know me. But so when I did not greet her. You did not greet her, she your mate. Why did it? Because you did greet her, that's why I look you. So you are aware. If you saw her, greet her first. Okay, mommy. But the woman don't like her. You must not like her. As far as she's senior you. Greet her. Respect is reciprocal in your high. That is how. James where what big bene you need to learn. That is why I money may be anyone. Here. Hono wani gwimi awe here me kweni vi me gwimi we here. Ama wo mi ado tie ni do ya agbini gbina no makeke. Unu we wa gba se we yomo we grandmother kin no de. So imagine to tie wala jan wonu do gbina. Iga atebo no social media. Me no me man subscribe nu we won we pe no re na go subscribe nu we. Po no gbele we po ma nyi na de po ye nyi ba mu ha. Okay. O ma nyi na de po. O ma kwe po. O ga be te ka be bia ne po una bia ne fake po. Una bia ne fake po. Ona ne po no bi me mu be te do. E po no wa tule lo bi me we mo ti ya giro do wa me ho nya wi ya giro ya me po ni break up ne me ta mu wa ne ya giro ya mi break up ne. Mo ha na we imagine like e ya me e wa la pe o sexy bi be. E love e po na love na ya gu na imagine kwa na do si pe mo. E ke so pe. Esther, what we concern of you were a marriage of you worker, if Sagan were around there. Of you were, did he owe anybody explanation? Of you were, do the social media na Maria or na Marebu no Maria? Back in a mena where inside your saga, you all the time I go when a gigwe boni. Water man no say boy, must you tell your daughter how to live her life after or a Western world? After or a Western world or a UK? Or UK, and then your mom, she just clocked 25 years of recent. I'll be on you, no way better than post. So now you want to always also use your own life to control our own life. You know about Budu international television where water my when no say bonia setting how what come when any bone of you were Esther. One good one control life for more no dio. What's no man say I don't live a life or a man okay or mama to boy babo. One must you come on me that to brag with such thing that you said that your daughter should quit the marriage. What are you telling us? What are you telling the people? So that they go no say you know they with them again. Not be by force of marriage. After your daughter, she's a young lady. Who education in fine. Or mono school. By now, can I when you can anywhere you in school and Giovanni ya upgrade. Near ya upgrade education in Nigeria. West school and Giovanni ya upgrade a school no village in Nigeria. Near become a successful wedding woman. Now telling the whole world on your social media saga where we're hero water. Must you live must you I don't understand. Make back here.
I'm actually to watch it. And so better where on the lemon show in an out the show. Economic black person they are fucking you. You are sleeping with all of them. Or market no other person. You are claiming they are your brothers. They are not your brothers. You are cheating on me. Boy. Oh, so. He is sexy. Now you see go. The Facebook. You see Benny Awa. Even when I see Benny, I know what to do.
You talk too much. You talk too much. Riye bono. Bari shigano. Riye bonia. Ona do awe mi nefe koibo. Riye bonia. Ona do awe ewiname be morokino. Riye bonia. Ona do awe mi nami be morokino. Arish ebonia. Ona do awe a life e morokino. Esther, what concerning life you were with your saga video yesterday? Why must you talk about your daughter? Your daughter married in your video. What concern did your video have anybody? Did your daughter have anybody explanation on social media? Who you want to impress? Who you want to impress? Telling the whole world now that you tell your daughter to quit the marriage, the man is not good. Who do you want to impress? What can social media people with your just or maybe 25 years old were with a marriage but don't quit? What can ya? Social media can marry but no impress the social media people. For you bringing this issue out on someone may know the best. In our video we talk the man here. Then luckily now me a TikTok. And when I feel important place in the run na gwa. And I get here. And analyzing that stuff. What can marriage of you where can social media people who were rudia be or abirudia when I'm you can be rudia na mara boni. Don't even say boy they no concern a life of money where be a life of social media now. What concerning? I beg you, what I log me again. I gonna tell me nata. I gonna tell me nata. Too much of talk is bad. Because you say you be upper girl. Because you say you fake yourself for a close market. Look at you today, bringing your own daughter. No, we more the UK, no, he will rare with Charlie. Not the women tie matana. What concerning marriage of you were with a saga no you reply retire memo. What concerning? No mare wo mare kokobiri betia kokobiri yaro the day with their children. Oh when no mare rio ibo efe ko ibo no mare rio back to you o yarish when we mufwa. So omunu why that be beer we wa be enyayo be enyare na enwetrela. Umageto boy choose nigbe. Umageto boy decide nigbe. You see now. Emi no italeme see you like be na. See your like be too much of talk. You will not know what you will talk your own secret at. Too much of talk. You will not know what to say important thing in your life at. If you can also bring your daughter matter on this saga video, she say you not try. Beg mama here.
Then akwana adori eni ki wo ma dori ye oye so igigi gwa lo wa dele on la jo si gbo amakane o makawa emume o gamu.
Then akwana dori eringi we o ma dori ye. Eringi ayari toni marriage ya. Eringi etian we court marriage. Ayari divorce letter give court. Eringi ayari toni marriage. Hey, Esther. Hey! Now for you people where they persuade me because they do saga, they not try. They not try. If you want waiting good for you, anywhere that they talk about you, you know that you are a great woman. That's why people talk about you. Don't come back to answer them. Don't ever come back to answer them. Play your good music. Use your music to reply them. And then you will know that yes. Good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you, Sister Ade. God bless you. Can you say where when we work bao? That means now do we have one movie when one movie who have a trailer or more 25 years is already. What when you want who even when trailer? What when no like it, like it, what when no like it. Esther, my here we do tie a saga when na. How go when we what do tie when we married there here at all. You on one talogbe Emma. On one talogbe oh ya teleminator. You see, you see too much of talk. You see what you just said on this video. That is doesn't call for. Using your own child, your daughter, they make caricature for your saga. Say now you tell them. Now you tell them. Make it quit the marriage. For waiting now. Even though now you to tell them make quit marriage. Now what you cut off for social media be that? Now what you cut off for social media be that? Hey, my people. Hey,
oh, God, move any trust. Any trust at all. So, if I want to sleep with me, if I want to walk out, me and you walk out. If I go toilet, stand for me at the toilet, not go anywhere. Now that kind one, and I know like him. And I will woman melene o bi mena ka ko be take so we ma me be ebo I'm going to be we have a sack where my gualo una am
Esther, don't be your mother. Why you walk by married the boy? Una we learn now you with the marry your diobo. Say you go if you not run, you don't run. Esther, this is the way they do so. Your children have their own life to live. Don't ever tell them what to do. Always advise them in a way that you can't. Any other thing concerning other thing where they don't marry, let them take their decision by themselves. Any mother when they tell the pikin say this marriage is not good, come out. The woman, they try. Even though the pikin they say I want come out, the mother will say, manager, let's see. But if your pikin say no, mommy, I can't take it anymore. That one is different. No, you coming out to take glory. Say your first seed. Say you don't drive on for you boy married yesterday. Say not they gave me we know. He married for us before. Your daughter married for us before. I been married for herself. Egbe wa salobwa social media wahala.
Sick. Una ya mwapino. Una ya mwe. You are a fool, my team. Usua. You are a disgrace. You are a shame. Hana to where I that female guan. I tell you where I were. Now I want him. I robi no man. I go and everything. What will not marry ne? Egite talo. Egite talo. Egite will not marry. Even that I'm was.
Hey, my people. No why me lasso. No why me lasso. Esther la wo re la dia. E mani do ati we yesa ga ni ani ala wo ni aga mo video ma gwe o. Ni aga mo video ma gwe.
Appreciate. Usna ro mi le pe kan we ne dani ma le si seto or maybe o ke hun because obe nu ya ke hun e nu ya ke no ma na jo se be agun a se be ati yo ki ma no ma e keri ke on sa fi we was ma ba ni si seto e ba me ke on sa be o ma de be go okay exactly e ba ni le ke e ba nu ke so am we le pe li kiaye e gba be so on le pe li kiaye ne wa bu ni block me wa e gbo na no na se but I get block to now wa ma na I block you but me I tell you as I sit to see you my normal Facebook where is you open for me where you take attach on my page if I enter that Facebook I go jam you for there if I am near way that one we want to them but
okay
who let you
do what
I can't wash you
when I hear that place he say no they wash. He said that in old Facebook now for the see if he log in and if you see a video go swipe. You they swipe, you they avoid her. Why are you not succumbing to the people who is calling your attention to come and look what she's saying about your media? If you really know that you know this woman, you don't avoid that, you don't need them. Why can't you also give them warning? If you yourself know they go to wash purposely, they wash the lady. Why you not advise your people when they bring the video? Because say, why you my video? What's here? You say that someone called you. You video no see no yaro we where Esther. Figueria my sister. Figueria no una Emma. E wani subscribe no. Urune no sabari no Emma na subscribe no. Sagana. Ubere mi we losses there be sagana. Kemi no make kenu ya junu ka say mother. You said you are a grandmother and you are not a role model to your children. What are you now up to? People that is watching you, what do you want them to take when you are not a sagalistic woman? Because people want to create content, because people want to use your video to make money, they will call you that someone is talking about you and you will go there. You will not sit down. Say all things where you not supposed to talk. My dear, I've told you my own. You may not love this video, but I know it sought you. I know it sought you. The time, the part where you first choose, where they say una be manager and singer, na good pass. Since when you can't be wife, this part where they take now, it don't make sense, my sister. It don't make sense. I know say the page where for do that video, they don't monetize. Now small money that you will see collect maybe that video €100 or 200, I don't know. Depend on the view. But the name is there. People who don't carry that video successfully that they make money for Facebook, not be small people. And now you so you say you be upper girl. We be made to be upper woman, I be upper lady. Majority of my time, they hear me for upper. Do time of my time when I did, they hear me for upper. Do time my time. Now myself that time will be say if you see say people from Sakpombaro they come our area come Buga, we will go wear short knicker go wait for them. They will let them for Ukbo. Because we were did that circle that time. Up and where for grow. Now between St. Savior to Goroti Junction. Now that circle now for grow for upper. Between St. Savior, Goroti Junction. So can people when we go see, we will not say so not be our area person. Where they go compound they make a gun as we dey stubborn reach that time. Me and my friends we be landlord children for upper. We dey wear short knicker like that short knicker where I wear I take dance. Now we dey wear we go with lady. We go with lady we come out and say oh wetin dey sup. We work a show. We go say what go you gbemi ni major. Iyan mana go agbe ma go say ma so agbe yan. Ma so agbe egbo power na ya opa. Italian bona atalo bona aya evyo pa. Hoye. Ima kafie mi aya e ma. Iya wa mehi maki. Ayi ma via aya e ma opa. For opa, we believe say grabis na water. For our time, even our men we grow with us, we believe say grabis na water. No matter a wait you go what we are amune who we are we are when sopa my palm we down. My palm is chestini. We grabis na water. Aya e ma wapa. And we wala de na wa. Abiopage. I grow for a kiosa. I was one making hair. I was one selling this one. I was one selling this one. I don't have my pikin. Leave your bow. I don't go. Now you with your pikin married at Oibo. Thank you, Auntie Regina John. Good afternoon. Now you with your pikin married at Oibo. When you go to the public of everyone say your pikin not there go. You say make it go. Now so you gonna control that girl they go. Mothers, the right you have in your child when you born her come as a day infant, teach her how to sit down, teach her how to crawl, teach her how to waka, put her for school, do your best for her. If you don't they go 14 years, they go like 15 to teenager. Teach her a good way, teach her how to respect people, teach her how to behave in public. That is your motherly advice. When you don't enter adulthood, like 18 years upward to 20 years, 20 something, you don't so much have right to control this child anyhow, except a good advice. Telling the general public say, now you say make it go. Say the Oibo to the jealous. Not be love and make the jealous. Say you are cheating on me, you are cheating on me, you are doing this one, you are doing this one. Oh, hey. Nah, hey, you know, it will tell me, wow, my sister, who you want you press for social media? Your pikin marry social media pikin, your pikin marry because of people where they do saga, or you marry for herself. She never marry for you. She knows that she's due to marry. Now make it go into that marriage. As the say she don't want to get come out, even though now you persuade her to come out. It's suppose me go to come for your saga, Esther, me they ask you. Say your pikin not there with your husband again. Suppose pikin of wey you complete 25 years old few days ago here. Or what's why they are cool on word. 25 years old, il might not be bien versus whom we gene. It might not be bien viva. Then you can be an boni or the other one be I don't know. So what is one me 25 years old? What is one where I cool on where or what do ka mojo umageto boy pade to hane when ni jena work ba ne o wo why ever be am don ya Esther. Now wow my people, now wow. It gets to catch people they talk when not supposed to they talk for social media. We don't say they talk like they talk pass. You know they stay for UK. Now Nigeria you dey. Now once in a while you take they come. Your pikin follow you go dance, you don't marry. He not supposed follow you go dance. Now your husband supposed say, okay, let's go and see your mother on stage. Now the boss supposed say, or maybe a cafe, no? Thanks for coming. Sasato. Maybe they be cafe be on the gbe of you marry with UK. Who what the web varu that way who do play what the way I play. No, or marry ne. Here what dog I decide we are the do show way. Look at the excuse to tell the whole general public now that cost it your first daughter first marriage. Go yale ura de na lele we ya ku o yi ware e de no pa o e do shiti yo e de no pa o na ya gba wa o e de gba wa e de ata Facebook o e ami no ma je do no emi no sunu we do because of that thing you persuade your daughter to start counting now o ma we ge zi egbe na me woke o I kan no pa ne do gbe wa o ah o we ya ni mare ebo gbeli ya wa ni nene nu we ge na we de mare feko ibo ma gbe wa e to ye bi e ba na ye mi uri e pa wo onye mmadụ tawa kwa na region when you ekpa your wefe eboni ren wete efeko ibona. I don't understand. Esther Gigbe Abalo where if you want to be gentle, if you want to rear as a music, tell people that is bringing people that you block. Tell them to stop bringing your notice to their saga video that used to insult you. Because tell them to stop. They are not doing you good. Destiny, if you see this video, you are not helping your woman. Esther wasn't like this before you get married to her. Esther wasn't like this. You used to come out and then she will sit down by your side. When you are addressing the general public, Esther will not talk. She will be saying, eh. Sometimes you want to use as well. Esther will say, no, that is sin. But now, since you are making her official your wife now, you are the even one pushing her out to the world to come and talk. One and no say, people many way they like una because of music where she dey sing. People many way be say them be supposed to be their role model because of her music. People they because of this way you can do every time you go they push and come and make they insult people. You are a man of the house. You see that day now. When they insult when with Abba they do saga. He wear costume first day. You not stop and may not do. He wear costume second day. You know cause I may not do. The third day we say we go take her back sing. Say we call her body odor music. Atiti go sing that music. Before the music come, I be like say people intervene for your matter and about matter. Esther say one play to us. You come to say no, don't do that. They have already said to us. You say no. You say no, mind you. I'm not going to say where I don't know why. I'm not why I will go with Sagani. That is the disrespect a woman gives to a man who is not capable to be a man at the right time in the life of a woman. That is the disrespect a man can receive from a woman. When you don't know how to coordinate that woman in time. That is it. I don't do saga today. Opiani biana gare nusu. Iwe because imani waya mo pishoni ando ya review. Or setting in social media na ki yuwe ke ya wole ya la do afi pisha do arovi ya. Or setting it. Iye ya wole juwe la dia. Wole idie me so ado viola dia. O we so self ne lo abo e wo vora me ni papo re bien na wole adando ya mo ya saga. For that simple reason, I don't analyze their video. I don't do saga because I don't want to be humiliated. You don't be any bien na no do mo egbe la dia derio. E na we beti he do re na okay. Ujini ga ari neni na pa inside saga romani not to boy mo egbe la dia. So be we are la dia. I fast even love mo tie we mama no. Don't do this. You are too big for this. People will not listen to people. They will look about the view they will see on that saga. People will not listen to people who love them. They will look about the money they will make on that video. That is why many platforms, they are down today. They are down today. Ni bugi me view. In a couple of ways, strike in here. Strike again. Wa. Meaning, wa only no mari jema no wa. In a mahile do wa. Also, when I me view, strike. Me no my Facebook. Come out my way. Go wa strike in here na. No, me what can ever. I only just want to sit down here and talk. You are talking for no good name and no basta. And you know, or maybe if you don't you are happy, yes, right. But because of what many of you are doing that Eddie or name and subscribe, you know what? People don't want to hear you guys' video anymore. People don't want to watch them. You only have a share. What do I mean? In a report page, in a report page, in a report motai, or bonok benuzo, or benelwe. And when the bureau. Owa hire wi ari agbona woji adora wagun ogele lagbona ogele won ogele sun ara aimu e wan de woji odo hino wan do repent ado ati e ho soja ado ya zere bidu na wo pe na yi oji no owi amo wuhe aimu e wan de una me me soro amaga woji adora iwa me ra ni yara ejo pe kan wa joji ni e wa mu iwa mo yen wa gbogi government social bo yen wa amufi oko o wa abole 10 years ire oh, we have been not done before on our first day because why? It was not destined to be that. I remember so run wagbina. A good fighter, no sabo wari yetik bina, no wari single bona. Oh no bomb wari keno balik beje, balik bare yaye hufwa. Una mire so ro. Ene destiny bina, wa woni ne la wagbina, yo ye veteri ase. Balik ba wari, ye wa vuemu ye ya mufie deportation camp. Ene magbonakin. You know, me say some people they make saga, they cash out, they still get their genuine lover. Yes, maybe it's their calling. People will not hate them. Instead, they will be loving them. You don't compare yourself with people. People with different style. I remember when I was young in Italy those days. That's why my people who know me, they will call me, they will laugh. And then, if you insult me, as they do for upper, now they do. Na me ofe cashew, na me ofe moka gbo pa. Eriji, when will they grow the corn? Where your body many? You go carry jerrycan like this. You go pump, you go carry water, they go. With jerrycan, 20 liters of jerrycan, you take and carry water. Maybe now that jerrycan about my get for us. As they carry water, they come like this. Go. I don't sight you for road. Say, not be this guy something that day. Iwa amudia hewe. Iya amudia hewe. Wa ware be na gba mo ka ware la dian we wala we imuene ni obos wene do when you town ya gbe when to na wo awo sahi je me no kwa no he ya afi when to igile momo wa ni imule iroba na de for we roba zaha o de ti roba o so are wa a le bun me ajo wa iyan ma be je gbese ise ire ya gbe be ni ho se ni Omar of Yemen, reliable. Oh, that was marketing of Balig Bevuena Vuri. And I'm way. igiri ye pale na tota gene ya waga e carabinero mu e pagbe e driver mu mare na le e same na le iya we me eya adogbe be yoto lovely se buke na yo gbalegbe are na do gbalegbe no because I get me na to gbalegbe me mo gbalegbe Nigeria den me mo police station yo ko werane me mo ha arrest no werane e sunu atawo ba palace no arrest no weri me Ugbeku police station ri mo mu eye ba ni aden many years ago imo ha igbege na ikaradu no dori me pagbe oh kesu cheso ela wele ime igwazita lo na gbele e wo ma va tenevia e na ku ni pari se ri va tenevia eri apa e ma ni me marketing na le simi e me ga gwa ni ahia sister wa je e wi agbalbo ma fi wa e sa na we e ga mu west Nigeria wu han ri go me consider omo ni na offend me ona to ge yo me gbe iri mu market iri ye palele e geli ke so wa ma we na ga no de hama e hama gbe yo rere o pe ga o uni ti te for covid dare no imo ho no gbalegbe areba ni bet o me ke na wase ado fie eni ya were o ma mi we udo fi were ya wuye mo etini o ma ye oni ye try me mi wa ise na iye vione bet we abiene ni obi ni e bi e pen imani mi me do ahia every time do ahon. That is why I deviate from all those things. But don't take it as a priority. No do go anyhow. Iwa gwe. Ya ta ya fi oti gbode. E wani bu ene ni kene. Ere ya hume nwe gani ni na hume fwa. Ata mu are am for the divia. Me sleepy, me so. Ere oje. Many ki piake ya no. Me ale lo biara ki we na hi me wu na we okbia gbe na. We ai se banu we. O ho na hia. Ere ma gbonaje. Amwe no bufua David megele ya ho eri me ya wela video esaga pagaro ni me ga chest because he was set ma megbe ya ti gbe ni yes esaga pagaro ni ga chest because we am me ya ti gbe ni ogono me ga mi ya representer itaneta wa light alive but where I respect to Egbonwa I respect Egbe na kere e video me tene ye ibiera me ye ibije me ye Egbe me mo wa ye. So, how many money do I exhibit with social media? I don't see any way saga. I say analyze the video. They're coming out every time. We ma tie we ma robe we go do. Oh ye na me we na. Oh ise ka wo you dan agegesu. Because I give we gesu na swim ye ba eh. We do asay money. Udoro we money. We the video na tie bonwe. E mo so me ba eh na. Unwe ma mo ye video we no ya we topic no the other star. My sister, ere yanyi. Destiny, work on yourself. Work on this woman. That's when. Ede don't have a video. After the boni we video, no so ko revient easy. Una do we video ku we kesti ya. U we no. O won no ragbon. U seto with e. O ri wu ne, u dogun wa gbagbe, u pupo wa ne yen, u gbe no pa. You know who you were talking to. That girl was your friend, your wife friend before. Let's start with video pa. Honor where you use it, I was your friend. Amen. I mean, but for you are still my friend. But honor I use I was my friend, you was my friend. But later my setting, honor where you are still my friend. Do you know after Destiny do that video for how many days? Esther will be like honor do away multiple video. No consign a lady directly. Nagbare you wane. Dinagike odonori we you wanoka when you deviate from her woman or the way video particular ya gwegwa voice no gonna do